Have you ever heard that saying that flossing is more important than brushing? Well, it's true. It's because most cavities start between the teeth and not on top of the teeth. In this video, we're going to be talking about the most easy and effective way you can floss your kids' teeth, your kids with braces, adults with braces, teens with braces, anybody. And the answer is floss picks. Here we go. Hey guys, this is Dr. Robert Passamano, and I'm joined with my daughter, Princess Gia. In this photo, I'm flossing her teeth with the floss pick. These are easy and effective. It's one-handed, meaning that if you have an unruly child, you can hold them down with one hand, you can floss them with the other hand. It's super easy. You don't need to put 4 fingers in their mouths. Kids have small mouths anyway, so try putting 4 fingers in there, super hard. If you try to floss with the 4-finger technique, you have to put 1 or 2 fingers on the inside, which is where the tongue is, and they might bite your fingers. So using a floss pick is super easy. I highly recommend this for any parent. And so let's watch a video of me doing it on Gia. You can see how easy it is to floss kids' teeth using the floss picker. I only floss the teeth that have contacts. So Gia has open contacts or spacing on the lower front teeth. I won't floss those. I will only floss the ones in the back where food gets stuck. Floss picks are not only great for kids, but they are perfect for braces patients. Using the thin end of the floss pick, it can go underneath the wire. It is super easy. And remember, if you make it easy, then they're gonna do it. So do yourself a favor and your kid a favor or yourself a favor. Get the floss picks for braces. They're amazing. I highly recommend them to all the patients that get braces. Thank you guys for watching the floss pick video. Sometimes these floss picks are also called braces flossers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and definitely comment below. Have a great day.